Thank you everyone for joining today. So in this video, we will give a quick overview of our website, talk a little bit about our GroWealth coin and how this is an amazing investment opportunity in the cryptocurrency market for uh, anyone looking to invest in real estate, not only just locally here in the United States, but anywhere in the world. So a little bit about the website. We have a few things that you can look at to start off to understand um, the product a little bit better, right? So we have our GroWealth white papers here. You can click on this and open up our white papers just to get an idea of our business model, what type of investments we're looking at making, how do we protect our long-term investors from price manipulations, and really how we are trying to use cryptocurrency to build a platform for people looking to invest long term, and also for people to looking to invest in cryptocurrency all the without having to deal with and be concerned with all the speculations and price manipulations and all that stuff. So also our coin is audited by Cyberscope. This is one of the top security firms. They are out there that is doing audits and does credible audits on smart contracts, on other blockchain technology, and really they stand behind their work, and behind the smart contracts that they audit and approve. So they have done several audits on our coin smart contract. So they are mentioned over here. So a quick overview of what our business model is, right? So we are basically uh, taking the funds that we raise from um, selling our GroWealth coin to coin holders and investing that money into real estate investments. We are um, starting here in Texas, in United States. The reason we chose this state is just because of all the benefits that Texas offers in real estate, the cost of construction being low, and a huge migration of people from all over the country to Texas because of its business friendly laws. No income tax, no state tax, and because of those reasons, Texas is a very lucrative place for us to start our real estate venture. um, and the main thing that we're focusing on is, like I said, security. We discussed the audits, the growth. Obviously, the growth potential is there as we build projects, we sell the projects, and profit from every project is shared back with our coin holders. And the longer that you hold the coin, the more percentage of the profit comes towards you. The good thing is, unlike other companies that just give you back, more coins, and you don't really ever get a chance to realize the profit, we leave that up to you. You can grow your growth well holding, or you can turn around and you know change your profile setting to receive all your rewards in USDC, and then you can sell that in your native currency, and enjoy your profits that way. Transparency, that's one of the key pillars that we're focusing on. So we do have um, a Discord channel where we will release our annual financials whenever we are ready to get into a project, our cost breakdown, construction breakdown, all the progress updates. So transparency is the key, right? We are not just looking to do one project, but we are going to grow this company substantially. And in order to do that, we want to make sure we're as transparent to our coin holders as possible. And then the last thing is obviously profitability, right? That's the key pillar of any successful cryptocurrency. How are you seeing profitability? Obviously, as time goes, the value of the coin itself goes up, but then also strong returns we shared back with our coin holders, right? And then like I said, the longer you hold a coin, the more more uh, a profit comes back towards you. And then here we will basically dictate what phase of our, of our project and business model we're in right now. And phase zero was where we started the project. So the last 6 months, we focused on building, building the GroWealth coin smart contract, putting it through regressive audits and make sure it's secure and very, very well tested. And now we are basically starting our land acquisition phase. So this is where we, issue enough coins to raise capital for our first projects, right? For land acquisition for those projects. And once this phase ends, then the next phase will be to start the phase for construction, construction uh, money and, raising funds for starting the construction phase of the project. And like I said, again, please do join our Discord channel because all the frequent updates, you will get a lot more frequent updates there as well. Okay. Then our site kind of goes over all our unique approaches, right? How we are trying to set ourselves away from your traditional cryptocurrency and your traditional real estate stocks. We're trying to combine it so you get the best of both worlds. Um, so comparing our coin to, let's say, traditional construction stocks, right? One of the things that you see is, let's say, if you invest in REITs or mutual funds that are backed by real estate or whatever, you have a lot of middlemen, right? You have your brokers, your fund managers, and a lot of layers in the middle before the funds actually get to the general contractors and the subs who are actually doing the work, right? So what that ends up being is so much of your money's lost as fee payments to these people in the middle that you don't ever see, all your money truly optimized and utilized in a construction project. And that's where we come in, right? We whatever capital we raised, we are using our in-house subs and to build the project ourselves, right? So that way your most of your money gets directly consumed into the project itself rather than paying all these middlemen who don't really provide any significant value to the project itself. Um, and then we have our tier breakdown, like how people who invest before the before we actually give out the rewards. There, the rewards are based on which tier you fall in when the rewards go out, right? And then we talked about we do have a mechanism in place to avoid short-term traders coming in trying to manipulate the market and trying to pump the stock and then make money and then leave, and then that ends up negatively impacting our long-term shareholders. So basically for our short-term traders, we put a 30% penalty on whenever they try to, I'm sorry, we put a 25% penalty on whenever they try to sell a stock you know on a short manner and try to you know manipulate and manipulate the price. We end up charging them a 25% penalty fee for selling their coins um, before holding it for at least a year. And then the good thing is, if you are a coin holder, right, we take 30% of that penalty and give it back to you as as a sign of appreciation and working with us to really see the true potential of our project. Um, and then we have like I was telling you guys about our Discord channel, our YouTube. YouTube is more for informative videos, for any information that you want. We have our Facebook group you can join, but the main one is the Discord channel, right? That's where you get all the details. That's where you get all the information on the projects going on right now and upcoming projects, etc. And then over here you can subscribe to our pre-sale, right? So if we don't have a pre-sale live currently, you can send us your email, and then when the next pre-sale opens up, we'll send out an email to you and let you know. So you can go to our upcoming investments, right? You can see a little breakdown of the projects we're about to get into, and kind of what is the reason we picked those specific projects. You can scroll down here and look at those details. um, and uh, and yeah, as far as the actual purchase of the coin itself, we'll go into a little bit more detail on that in another video. But basically, we do utilize Phantom Wallet for our transactions, and our trading platform is coming up. So one of the questions that we get is, why are we getting our own trading platform, right? So one of the things is to control our tier-based system, right? To make sure that you know you do end up getting um, you know your return on your maximum return on profit based on what tier you end up in. We have to maintain that data internally, and then because of that, on the blockchain there's just too many variables, so there's not an accurate way to really track that. So that's why once our trading platform comes up, you'll be able to freely trade the coin with other people looking to buy the coins, or if you want to pick up more coins, you can go on there and purchase coins as well. Um, Obviously, if you have any questions, do feel free to reach out to us, and then like I said, we will get back to you at our earliest convenience. We try to answer all emails as early as possible. So like I said, if you have a question, reach out, and then we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And then in the next video, we'll go through the purchase now process. It's a little bit unique, right? We are handling everything in house. We use USDC as our coin for transactions. So you purchase using USDC, and then we send the equivalent GroWealth to your wallet, and the transaction happens that way. It's a two-step process. If you have USDC already in your wallet, it's a little bit faster. But if you don't, we have widgets in place that can help you buy USDC coin and help you get ready to purchase the GroWealth coin itself. Um, so thank you for watching, and we will move on to our next video that talks more about the actual purchase process. Thanks again, everyone.